Hey, Paul over here at Styrene Relics. Jason over at Blue Ox. Uh, Wanted to know what everybody's workspace looked like. And mine's been a total wreck for the last couple of days because I was looking for something. And I'm sure I'm not the only guy out there that tears his whole place apart looking for a certain thing. So I didn't find it either. So uh, I'll start with the display cases, I guess, and go from there. I've done this before, but it things change, so this is an update, I guess. Uh, we got a little diorama that I've done. That's got the Tijuana taxi and the Conestoga. Um, I got a couple of things I need to do yet on that. Finish it up. Very small. I kind of like my records. I got some really cool stuff here. So I'm not going to go through them all, I guess. But yeah, kind of neat. I got some old builds. That case used to be my older brother Jim's. He got that at a little five and dime store that was by us when we were growing up. It was a Timex watch display case. And when they changed the Timex watches boxes that you could buy them, they were going to throw it away, and he asked if he could use it, and so he put his models in it, and then I ended up with it. And then a few years later, I found another one out in California, bought it, had it shipped here, and paid way too much money for it. But I've got two. And these are just some stuff that I've been messing with. That's a little wagon that I kind of come up with. Cut the back doors open on it. So kind of messing with that a little bit. Some builds I've been kind of futzing around with every now and then put them away. So yeah, kind of neat little stuff. Some older boxes. Like I say, I don't really collect boxes, but I've got some that's worth showing, so went ahead and got them. I'm going to be building these two. Those are kits actually inside here, and I've got a kit in that one, and I've got two of the bed bug kits in that one, so kind of happy with that. There's my custom I've been messing with. I've thrown a little paint on it, guys. Kind of doing a candy paint over gold. Believe it or not, that was a light blue over gold, and it turned out green. So, yeah, it's going to be kind of neat. I just haven't had a chance to get in to finish it up, so I'll get at it here real quick. I got an old Pepsi Cola bottle case. I use it for an open display case. Couple old build kits there. Those will end up getting built someday, but not right away. But the Mustang, I have built that though, so I don't know what's inside that box. I forgot. Probably nothing. Let's see what else we got going on. Everybody's seen the Carmagia. That's been around forever. It's gonna be a little gasser, but I just can't. I don't know. Can't wrap my head around it now. 40 Ford. Cut the running boards off it. It's a gasser, and over the years it's been dropped and moved around a million times. So some of the builds in the first display case, vans and stuff like that, small scale. These are some of their... I just got this case not too long ago. Um, it was at a thrift store, and it does not have the back doors and the sliding doors. So I got to make some. But I got it home. I bought it for... He was asking 100, and I got it for 75 or 80 bucks, I think. And it's really cool because it lights up. The shelving has a rounded edges, lips to the front, which is really neat. And then it's got like a rubber deal on it, clear rubber deal on the edges. It looks like a trophy display case you would have seen in an old high school. So real proud of that one. This display case I got for $25, and it lights up. Some of the builds in it. So it's kind of fun. Yeah, 25 bucks. I'm really happy with that case. And let's see. This case, well, there's some of my drawings I got. My old 60 sitting in front of James Dean's high school back in '99. That's always been fun. Go down the James Dean cruise. I haven't been down there in a little bit, but boy, we used to go every year. Some more builds. I got a plan for a Vicky that's coming up. So I've been digging out some Vicky stuff. I guess I should have turned that light off. Maybe that helps. My little brother did the pickup truck on the end. My older brother Jim, he built these 5 here. Leaping Lori, the yellow one on the end, that's the one that inspired me to start building. So I miss you, James. Some more stuff I got going on, some gassers. A few dragsters in the back. Funny cars. And then a little bit of everything. Down here, Formula One, Trans Am, Can-Am, you name it. Team racing. I've showed all this stuff before. If you guys want, you can go and look at some of my older stuff. Then I got this tall display case. It's as tall as I am. I got it for $35. Lady was upset because somebody didn't pay their rent or something. She was selling everything in their booth. I was at the right place at the right time. So, little coffin, Mysterian, bed buggy, and surfing van. That's kind of cool. That's the same as a Detroit pitcher. Doggone it. Yeah, I'm drawing a blank on that now. I should know that. But anyways, I got that one. I'm pretty proud of that. Some of my grails, these 2 on the end, I built those. Rebuilt the moon mixer. Some more here. I don't know why, but this display case, I cannot keep the dust out of it. it still wants to get dusty. I got a big Lindbergh kit. I want to tear that out hopefully this year, maybe not, but I'd like to finish it up. Reason I quit on it, two reasons. The green, I ran out of the paint and I tiger striped the body. So I gotta fix it. So some more I've done. And this one I rebuilt. This one I bought. So some of these I've bought and restored. These 4 right here, I restored those. These 3 customs. Pink one is my older brother Jim's. Middle one's mine, and the one on the end, the Continental, that's my brother Mark's. So miss both of those guys. Some more customs. Got a 59 and a 60 Invictas, pair of them. Some show rods. I don't do too many of those, every now and then though. And then slot cars down at the bottom. Drag slot cars mostly. I didn't do too much of that, but I did some. I got a styrene stuff. So, and then that's where all my tools are. My workbench, where I take most of my videos and stuff right here. But it's not very organized, but it is kind of organized, kind of a, I don't know, it's a mess, but it works for me. And then I've got a bunch of tools back there that I'll grab and use every once in a while. So, I got paints down here on the floor. Buddy Phil made me that little rack. It works out great. So I got paints in that little drawer. Some of my stash, mostly gassers and stuff, on this shelves. And then I've got these, and I've got parts separated. You know, different chrome parts and stuff like that. This one, I can show you this one here. I'll keep all my chrome stuff. And this is all vintage chrome stuff. This isn't new stuff. This is all older kits from the 60s and 70s. Some of it. Not too much new stuff in that one. I try to keep it separated. More drag racing stuff. Some of the kits I'm going to be building. But I'm gonna try and focus on some gassers this year. I wanted to last year, but I got sick and I didn't get to do any. So let's see, more stuff over here. They're not really separated out as far as makes or anything. It's just, I guess, genre. I got some pretty cool stuff over here. So I'm going to try and build some of these one day. But again, it's mostly drag racing stuff. And then slow down on the spinning, Paul. More up here. Not really a collector, but boy, I have been lately. So here's a lot of the drag racing stuff I've got. I've got two of those little banditos. I got another one put up. I really want to build one. I've got decals for a beetle. I've got junk up there and more kits. Parts packs on the right. More kits. More kits back over there. These boxes here, they've got some pretty special funny car stuff in it that I bought years ago. Dodge stuff, Cornettes. So, yep, it don't end. I don't know if I should show you this one or not. This is a mess in here. This is my junk drawer, or junk closet, I guess. I got some paints on a shelf up there. But my catch-all, all these boxes here have parts in them. I never throw anything away. And then I've got a big tote full of parts. A couple of different big boxes full of parts. So I don't ever want to toss anything, because as soon as you do, you got to have it. And perfect example is my 58 Thunderbird was missing driver's door, inner door panel. And I had an extra one kicking around, and it must have gotten thrown away. I don't remember throwing it away, because like I say, I don't ever throw anything away. But it must have. It must have got mixed up somehow. So I found a 58 Impala inner door panel, and I'm going to use it. I'll make it work. So a couple of trophies from my real car out in the garage. And then there's two of them over there. The big one I bought just because it's an older one. I just thought it was kind of cool. So, well, that's it, guys. I'm going to cut it real short here, my messy workbench, but that's it. That's where Styrene Relics works. So, all right, guys, I'm glad you stopped by. I'll give you an update on that Thunderbird here real soon. Okay, talk to you later. I'm glad you stopped by, guys.